When you go into the house as the person that's checking out the house, are you supposed to go up and introduce yourself to the realtor, or do you just walk in and pretend like the realtor is not there? Do you go say hi to them? What's supposed to happen there? What is the protocol?
I'll jump in on this one. Absolutely always go introduce yourself for sure. Always go introduce yourself. And if you have representation, if you have a realtor that you are over the moon about and happy with, let them know right up front that you have representation, that you have a realtor that you love and you're working with. And if you don't, let them know that as well. Let them know. Usually there's something to sign in, whether it's a QR code or everyone does that differently. But
Mhm.
normally they get your information. And as the representing realtor, we need, for safety reasons, we need to know who's in the home.
Mhm.
And so a lot of times the home seller has asked, I mean, they don't just want random people walking through their home.
Sure.
And so we need normally their contact information, their name, phone number, and email address. And if they have any questions, there's a way for us to contact them and share photos or share information, seller's disclosures, whatever it is that they're interested in. And if that's not particularly the right house for them, they can let us know what it is that they're wanting. And normally a, we know everything that's on the market in that neighborhood. And
All
so it
right.
that house, but it might be three doors down. So very important to introduce yourself and at least let the agent know, because what that's going to do is it's going to make it a lot more pleasant experience for you also.
Uh-huh.
Instead of some stranger awkwardly following you around the house asking you questions, you get it out of the way right away. Hey, I'm Regina. I'm in the market in this particular neighborhood. This is what I'm looking for. I have representation. I just drove by and saw your signs and wanted to come check the house out.
How does a realtor feel about that when you show up and you're like, I already have representation, like I don't choose you, but I'm just looking. How do they feel about that?
Well, the realtor should be there representing the seller of the home. And if you do meet clients who don't have an agent, they're not represented, that's great if you can establish that relationship. But it's expected that you're going to have clients come in who already have a realtor, or some of them may come with their realtor.